Happy day, children. This is class 6 Geography, the Earth in the Solar System, part 2. So in this video, we will learn about the solar system, the sun and the planets. Okay, so in this picture, you can find the solar system, the sun and the 8 planets. So after 8 planets, you have small planets, the dwarf planets such as Pluto, Makemake and the Kuiper belt objects. These are small objects which is moving around the sun. And you have Eris here. This is also one of the dwarf planet which is in the solar system. So children, so do you think there is only one solar system in our galaxy? So what is a galaxy is about? So galaxy is a group of stars. So universe, as we all know, universe is very large and it is vast, right? So there are many galaxies in the universe. So one of the galaxy is the Milky Way galaxy. Okay, so in the Milky Way galaxy, there are hundreds of solar system, 100 billions of solar system. So one such solar system is our solar system, that we have the sun and the 8 planets. Okay, so you can imagine now how vast the universe is, right? So you have the first planet is Mercury, Venus, Earth, and we have our small moon here, Mars. This is the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter, where you have many small objects moving around the sun. Next you have Saturn. After Jupiter you have Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and after that you have dwarf planets. Then last, Kuiper belt objects. So till this only scientists have discovered the celestial bodies. So next one is the sun. Okay, so this is a small image of a sun. So as we all know, sun is in the center of the solar system, right? So only because of the force, pulling force that the sun has, all the planets are moving around it. Okay, so it is the only source of heat and light we have in the solar system. And the sun is, the sun is made up of extremely hot gases, children, like hydrogen and helium. Okay, so it is self-luminous. So what do you mean by self-luminous? It has its own light. Okay, so if you take the temperature of the sun, it is almost 6,000 degrees Celsius, it seems. Then you can think how heat the sun is, right? So it is also the source of light and heat energy for our entire solar system. So the sun is about 150 million kilometers away from the earth. So if you take the sun here, as I already said you, it is made up of hot gases, and the sun is made up, it was formed almost 4.6 billion years ago, it seems. Okay, so how old the sun is. So next, we will learn about the planets. So there are 8 planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune and Pluto. So you can remember these planets in a very easy way. If you remember this phrase, my very efficient mother just served us nuts. So when you take the first letter of each word, you can remember the planet names. Okay, M for Mercury over here, V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus and N for Neptune. Okay, so all these planets, they move around the earth, they revolve around the sun in an imaginary line called orbit. Okay, so here we have some information about the Pluto and Ceres. So it was Pluto and Ceres, it was called as a dwarf planet. And UB313, this is also one of the celestial body which was invented in August 2006. Okay. Same phrase which is shown here. My very efficient mother just served us nuts. This is a very easiest way to remember the planet names, right? So next one we will learn about our own planet Earth. So we all know, children, Earth is covered by water as well as land. So almost 2/3 of Earth's surface is covered by water and only 1/3 of Earth's surface is covered by land. So the shape of the Earth, if you take, it is geoid in shape, which means it is bulged in the middle and it is flat at the poles. So that is the reason why it is called as geoid shape. So next we will learn about moon. So what is a moon? Moon is a celestial body which is moving around our planet Earth. So it is the only satellite which the Earth has. So what is the meaning of satellite, children? Satellite is nothing but any celestial body which is moving around the planets in the same way as planets moving around the sun. So that is called as a satellite. So the moon's diameter, if you take, it is only 1/4 of that of the Earth. So it appears so big. So because it is very near to our planet Earth, it is just 384,400 kilometers away from our planet Earth, and that is the reason why it appears to be big. But only the diameter of moon is only 1/4 of the planet Earth. So children, here you can find the image of natural satellite and artificial satellite. So natural satellite is the moon, which is a celestial body which is moving around the planet Earth. And what is an artificial satellite? Artificial satellite is nothing but it is a man-made satellite and which is made by man. It is designed by scientists just to gather information about the universe for communication purpose, to get the weather reports every day and for a GPS purpose. So what is GPS? GPS is nothing but the global positioning system. So if you have GPS in your mobile, with the help of the satellite, GPS satellite, which is placed already in the orbit, it helps to locate any person on the planet Earth. So that is the main usage of GPS, and it is carried by all the satellites, all artificial satellites. It is carried by a rocket and it is placed in the orbit which is moving around the Earth. Okay, so some of Indian satellites which are in space, if you take, they are INSAT, EduSat, etc. Okay. Thank you, children. In next video, we will learn about the asteroids and meteoroids and Milky Way galaxy. Okay? Yes, thank you.